One other thing that we bring, value to the city is we've been in roofing since 1987. So we're going on 35 years now, and we've been partnering with Owens Corning for quite some time. And we take a lot of pride in being one of the largest Owens Corning partners in the Midwest. Frankly, it just gives customers a lot of peace of mind when you know not only do you have a high quality roofer, but you have a high quality manufacturer that's backing their work as well. Owens Corning does a great job of backing their stuff like no other manufacturer that we found, but where Bordner is a little bit different from the other 500 roofers here local is we provide a platinum protection warranty for each of our customers here in the city. That's just a standard. For most guys, what they'll do is they'll give options for warranties and tell a homeowner, hey, it might cost some extra, but here's something you can do if you want to do it. We see not offering a warranty as a below standard installation. So that's just something that we don't do. So, being in business for 30 some years, you see there's a lot of shortcuts in the industry, and that's just not something that we want to do. So, knowing our customers have peace of mind that no matter what happens, I mean, living in the Midwest, hail can happen, insurance can always be involved. But that is one thing where we want to make sure that our customers, if it's not due to insurance, they know the manufacturer is going to stand behind their work, and the roofing contractor is going to stand behind their work. So what they'll do is they'll actually audit 3% of our jobs. So every 100 jobs we do, every 100 roofs we do, they will randomly audit those three. They call the homeowners and let them know they're going to come out and do this free service. And if we ever made a mistake, they would make us come back and do the roof again. They also partner with and do a lot of voluntary stuff as well. We had a pretty cool project this last year that we were able to do a roof for a veteran, and that was really exciting to do. That's just stuff that a lot of roofers don't get to do. Number one, number two, manufacturers don't get to do. So that's something that we've leveraged our relationship with Owens Corning over many years to be able to do things like that. So it gives us an opportunity to give back to the community that we've been in for so long, and then gives those in need in our community the opportunity to have a roof taken care of that maybe they otherwise wouldn't have been able to.